We have to do a tubing repair today because over the summer I had to fell one of the trees that was integral to one of the tubing systems, to one of the lines, to one of the lateral lines that we have. It was a maple tree that the top broke off, so I harvested the rest of the tree before the wood rotted for firewood. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be replacing a drop line and a Dropline Tee in the line with a wire union.
Let's do that repair.
Yep. So this is a two-handed tool. These are vice grips on here, actually vice grip brand vice grips. So you're going to open it all the way, and I'm going to kind of center it. I'm going to clamp down on each of these lines. That can hang there for a second. Now I'm going to make my cut in both positions. I'll cut this one first. So I'm just cutting this tee out of here. Okay, I'm going to set that off to the side. In one of my pockets I have wire unions. Maybe. They're in my coat pocket.
Where's your coat?
Down there. Now what?
All right.
So,
all right, Mr. Prepared.
with the T cut out, I'm going to use just a wire union as a coupling.
Why don't you hold that up to the camera? Hold it up to the camera.
Oh, gotcha. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wire union, it's called, eh?
Yep, it's all it is. We're using it as a coupling. This is the same fitting we use down by the tank to hook it on that wire loop that we have. So now,
Ooh.
and then
Did you leave that up or anything?
I did not. But now that I have it started, I'm going to back it off a little bit. It's on one of the barbs of the union. I'm going to bring it home, just like that. And the repair is made.
Well, what do you know?
Just like the tree was never here. But it's a constant memory. I mean, it's a reminder that it was there. That's that.
Well, this is what it boils down to.
That's what it boils down to.